Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be replacing the batteries on our Razor Pocket Mod. This is an easy process. It should take you approximately 15 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tool: a Phillips screwdriver. This process can be completed in 4 easy steps. Step 1, remove the seat. Step 2, remove the old batteries. Step 3, install the new batteries. And step 4, reinstall the seat. As with working on any electric product, always make sure to turn off the power before you begin. Now let's get started on step 1, removing the seat. First, grab from the back and pop the seat open. There are 4 Phillips head screws we need to remove. 2 in the back and 2 in the front. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all 4 screws. Once all 4 screws are removed, close the seat, lift it straight up, and set it aside. That concludes step 1, removing the seat. Now on to step 2, removing the old batteries. First, remove the plastic bracket. Simply pull it straight out. Save it for later, as we'll be installing it when we put the new batteries in. Next, we're going to unplug the batteries. Pinch the connector and separate. Undo the Velcro strap and feed the strap back through the buckle. Now the batteries are free to be removed. Grab both batteries at the same time and lift straight up. Make sure to recycle the batteries properly. With the old batteries out, that concludes step 2, removing the old batteries. Now on to step 3, installing the new batteries. Grab your new batteries, and remember, only use genuine Razor batteries. Put them in the battery tray. Grab both sides of the Velcro strap. Feed the strap back through the buckle. Tighten the battery strap down and secure the Velcro. Reconnect the battery and make sure you hear the connector click. Now put the plastic bracket back on over the battery and the wires. With the battery now secure, that concludes step 3, installing the new batteries. Now on to step 4, reinstalling the seat. Set the seat back in its place, open it up, and using our Phillips screwdriver and the 4 screws we removed earlier, secure the seat down. Close the seat, hit the power switch, and make sure it works. And that concludes our battery replacement. I hope you found this video helpful and informative, but if you are still having any other troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razor.com. Now get out there and have some fun.